Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. I have some videos for you to check out. They'll help you get your small engines and lawnmowers fixed. I have a whole collection of them. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine, and today we're working on one of these Chinese Go-Karts with them 90cc engines on them. And they've been having problems with charging the battery every 3-4 days because the battery's going dead. Well, they put a new battery in it. Still having problems. And I did some testing and there's no power coming from the stator on it by the flywheel here. So what we're going to do is remove the cover and we're going to put a new stator Turcoil assembly in. So we took the 4 8mm bolts out. Take this out and I'll go ahead and unplug it. And there it is. So we'll go ahead and replace this and hook it back up again. Okay, we got the cover off here, and I ordered a new stator and Turcoil online, and it came with a push button plug-ins in. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep the old plug-in. So what we're gonna do, they're all color-coded wires, so we're just gonna splice them. But first thing we'll do is we'll take the old one out. Yeah, use an 8mm. And there we go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this out about 5-6 inches in, and we're just going to use the color code, and I'm going to splice them. I like soldering the wires. I like having a good connection and everything. So we'll cut all these off. And go ahead and take the covers off all the wires. Or you could use like them automotive clips. You can use them, but solder just gives it a whole good connection. So there we go on the plug-in part. We'll put the old one away. And when I got this Turcoil, it came with a new voltage regulator, and things, they come together. We might as well put the new voltage regulator on. That way it'll be all compatible with each other. So we'll go ahead and cut all of them off. Okay, so we got our yellows. We'll do our yellows. And when you solder, you can either put, that heat shrink tube on or black tape. I just like using black tape. And we'll do the green one. I'll just do a couple at a time, and then I'll put the black tape on and do a couple more. So got that already. Go ahead and light the torch here. Okay. Let that cool a few seconds. Okay, we'll do a couple more. We'll do the white one. And when you order one of these stators, make sure they show you the wire diagram when you're looking at the picture. Make sure you get the one. There's either 5-wire ones or 7-wire ones. Make sure you get the one that you have, and make sure the color of the wires are the same too. That way you won't burn nothing out. Okay, we'll get them soldered. Okay. That cool a few seconds. Okay, now let's wrap some tape around the whole thing. Okay, now we're ready to install it back in the cover. That grommet in that little hole right there, and make sure the two holes line up. And just start them all. Don't tighten them up quite yet. When you get them both started, go ahead and snug them down. And a wire protector. Okay, that's all ready to go. So now we're going to go put it back on the machine. Okay, we're going to go and put this back on the motor. Just like so. And the bolts you took out, they're all different sizes. Make sure you put them back in the same way. And on this particular one here, we're using a bolt for the ground. So we'll get that put in there. Okay. These bolts are 8mm. Okay. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Okay, and we put that new voltage regulator on and got that plugged in. Now we're ready to start it and see if it's charging. Okay, well that's it for this episode. I hope I showed you something. You have a good day.